I like the environment. I come to work, I'm not stressed. Everybody get along. It's good teamwork. When I work in the clean room, I package up sheets, pre-record it, we send it out to the warehouse. Sometimes they send out parts of the sheets that's not good. We go over and stack it up on carts, weigh the carts, record it, clean it up, your area, and making shift relief before you leave. My job is important because if the silos is not filled up, they wouldn't be able to produce no sheets. You have to keep them constantly just going. My advice to anyone considering working here, have a positive attitude because the work is easy and I think you will love it because the atmosphere is wonderful. I like the education. There's constant education. We have monthly training that I think is awesome because sometimes you forget and it'll come back around, and that's good to have. The health situation is good, and I love 7 days off.